This is the 21 volt brushless combo kit. The company sent me this product so I could check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It arrived safely, nice looking packaging. And inside the package, you are going to get the brushless cordless drill, the brushless impact driver, two 2.0 amp hour, 21 volt lithium ion batteries, rechargeable batteries. You're gonna get a charger, and that charger plugs in right here on each of the batteries. When it's charging, the light on here will be red, and when it's completed its charge, it will turn green, and it can charge a full battery in about an hour and a half. You're going to get a 14-piece socket set for the impact driver, and that's going to be 7 standard and 7 metric. We got from 3/16 to 7/16 on the standard and 5 to 12 on the metric. An assortment of 10 different driver bits. We have some flatheads, some Phillips, a couple of Torx bits, the 15 and 20, and a little extender on here. And then an assortment of 6 different drill bits, sawdust not included. You're going to get an easy to read user manual, and of course a hard shell case where everything fits in there neatly in styrofoam. Actually, it's a decent case. The clasps don't feel bad, and it feels sturdy enough. I'm okay with that. First off, the drill has a 3/8 inch keyless chuck, and the impact driver has a 1/4 inch hex quick release chuck. These just kind of pop in here like that. Both of these tools have brushless motors in them. The drill puts out up to 531 inch-pounds of torque with a 21+1 clutch. So you can dial it in and not strip any screws or chew up any material. It's got 2 different speeds, and you can change those right here. It's got 0 to 350 RPM for controlled fastening, and 0 to 1500 RPM for when you need to drill. The impact driver hits a little harder at 2,655 inch-pounds and up to 3,750 impacts per minute, and an intelligent reverse stop system. When you've got the power lights on here, you can press this button and change the mode from mode 1 to mode 2. So when you're backing out a fastener, it'll automatically slow down so the nut or screw doesn't go flying off. Impact drivers are great for driving along lag screws, assembling furniture, installing deck boards, hanging cabinets, or like taking out stubborn or rusted fasteners around the house without wearing out your wrist. Each tool has a bright LED up front and soft rubber grips that feel really good in my hand. The drill only weighs about 2.58 pounds, and the impact is right around 3 pounds, so they're easier to handle for longer jobs. You get 2 batteries, which is great. Use one while the other one is charging. Like I said before, they charge up in about an hour and a half to give you some pretty solid run time. Each of them has a wrist strap on it. I actually have a smaller drill that I use now around the house that's 8 volts for smaller jobs, but this gives me 21 volts of power when I need it, and it has that smaller footprint that I like, and it feels great in my hand. So there you go. These drills make quick work of all kinds of DIY stuff around the house. A kit like this might also be good for the trades, good for furniture assembly, deck building, fence work, automotive projects. Good for just keeping it in the toolbox for everyday repairs. All kinds of stuff. Very nice.